Welcome to the Earth+Flax studio. Today we are going to get some protection on our beautiful cedar siding. We have not been able to make a final decision about color, and so to play it safe, we're going to go with one of the natural pine tar options, the traditional pine tar option. So basically a wood colored stain, and this is going to be a custom ratio of the dark pine tar and the Viking Purified linseed oil. We want to protect it from UV damage, give it some moisture protection, and just make the surface easier to keep clean versus having that open bare wood exposed to the elements. So this is one coat application, and this is a center match cedar siding. It's tongue and groove, and the goal here is to ensure that we protect the wood from graying and aging in the interim time, and we can always, change the color or go darker in the years to come.